still.
He can't.
You can't be quiet.
I think quiet, but I can't be still.
Okay. We'll see. Maybe the shooting house will make up for that.
Wait, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 turkeys right over there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, and
Don't move, please. Visual spook.
it just popped out of nowhere. They just started running right over here.
Got about 18 turkeys out here on the field right now. Do not move quickly.
See, look over here. They just right past the cornfield. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big up, really big turkeys. If it's turkey.
Let's go.
18 more turkey.
Do you think it's 18 or do you think it's just a bunch?
Looks like 18.
Okay. So what do we have to do?
Be still and be quiet right there.
Okay. Otherwise,
Oh, again, there's nothing more 18. That is the most turkey in the world. Together, that places together. We just hope that many deer will come in.
is that pretty cool? Don't move so quick. Right now, they're probably 40 yards in front of us. And there's a bunch of them out there. They've worked the whole field. They started on the far end, they're working their way this way. The one Tom and the whole bunch. He's the man, ain't he? What do you think, Charles? He's got him a bunch of girlfriends, doesn't he? Look at me. He got some girlfriends, don't he? That big Tom turkey out there. You doing all right, Charles? Oh my God. I don't know if you got it or not. I'm a freaking wreck. Do you feel like it was a good shot?
I can feel my heart bursting now.
Okay. Okay.
That was exciting, and that thing doesn't kick a bit.